Aye, vatsonga va ka hina I manyanga tsitokomisa. So today we're going to be looking at the case Jayde Panayiotou, who was found dead in lembe ra 2015. Jayde Panayiotou a ku ri n'wansati loyi a tshama a Port Elizabeth na nuna wakwe Chris Panayiotou. So ku tlhelelanya na ndzhaku before nuna na nsati vanhu vambirhi va hlangane hi lembe ra 2004 loko va ha ku heta high school. So swa valungu, so loko ku va heta high school va va na party where people meet. So ngwenya yi tsakela nhwana, loko yi tsakela nhwana se va sungula ku date. After dating they fell in love. So because lowa nhwana a ri na passion ya ku va mudyondzisi u enrolla exikolweni hi lembe ra 2005. Then lowa jaha, because you know white people va tele valungu lava nga na privilege, so lowa jaha didn't need to go to school. A ri na privilege. Papa wakwe a ku ri tycoon who was able to help him start up a business, two businesses to be specific, a franchised grocery store, maybe a restaurant, Infinite door next door. So all this are taking place in Port Elizabeth. I don't know if this official Port Elizabeth did you know what Quebec, but to couldn't confuse that there is a Port Elizabeth. So under Galo Sevan Amber, what's happening? That's one of man. Randanil Julian Seringen, they decided go, or Chris decided go engage Jayde in 2011, and by that time Jayde Sadir as doing this. So as she was working, she had I don't have to military chinavelo ku vanhu vo tala, you know, like u heta xikolo u tirha u kuma nuna, you moving together, u cata, settle down. That's how it looked to the public. But then the problem ti sungule ku va kona loko laha ngwenya Chris 2009, even before he proposed, yi nga thola xinhwanyana xivito ra xona a ku ri Jayde, a ku ri Chanel aka vhengele ra yona. So mi kuma ku yi xi tsakela a xi tirhaka franchise ya yona. Kuma ku yi xi tsakela spara yi hamba yi spenda ka xona u tlula ka nsati wa yona. Sweswo se sungula ku tsakela xikan'we ku tlula nsati, to an extent ya ku na loko se nsati a ti humelini maybe a hi ka vona, a humi na vanghana, a yi swi kota ku se yi teka xikan'we xa yona yi ta na xona andlwini. So to actually specify lexi nga endla case leyi ze va kona, swi nga endla swiparese yi va kona i love triangle. Swi nga endla na mina namuntlha ndza ni vulavula hi swona. Spara was involved in a love triangle which he had to sacrifice one ka lavambirhi. It was either nsati wa yona kumbe xikan'we xa yona, and Spara chose to sacrifice his wife over nsati wakwe. So this case is gonna be interesting as we go forward, because there are a lot of police video clips that va nga ti humesa, the spy tapes, things like that. Ka case leyiwani, the phone pings na swilo swo tala, so it's gonna be more visual. Mi ta vona na ku investigation yi fambe njhani. So as I pause lava nga swi tiviku, each and every week we post 2 cases on this channel. I won't say dates because I know Tuesday and Friday, but then as one of why so if by chance you are interested and you would love this content, please subscribe as we move and get deeper on this case. So Mkhalazo, Papa Damam, who helped him to build these businesses, found out when he busy na Chanel, one of his employees that okay franchise. So Mkhalazo aswi tsaksang because then 8 years he ba Jayde and say ayunguranda ayungudosisa siyangizwela ku if you don't stop your nonsense, I will cut you off financially. So because ngwenya ayichuwa kukukhatwa off from financially na kuyinge ikumi nchumu loko Mkhalazo wa wona emsaveni yi decide ku endla ingaku va hambanini. And mind you, Jayde a nga tivi nchumu, nsati wa yona a nga tivi nchumu Mkhalazo na vona a va n'wi byelangi. So ngwenya decided ku act as if he cut it off. Ivi swi pusha to a stage ya ku hi 2013 they decided to tie the knot. They decided to marry Jayde se hinkwawo officially Baba Mr. and Mrs. Panayiotou. So rolembe ya ngwenya yinga chat. He was facing problems, financial problems, because in the nearby kube sungula ku va na the shops leta tirheli competition. So my business ma yo ma sungula ku kama nga endli mali, and ku nga ri timhaka to ma business a mane ku endlenga mali ntsena na yona personally se a yi sungula ku struggle financially i timhaka ta ku remember when I was taking care of 2 white women. I was taking care of 2 white women financially, and it's reported a court swulwini exikangu xa kona ku yi n'wi xavele na movha. He was paying movha ya xikangu, yi hakela vatirhi. Remember the business is not doing well. Port Elizabeth kahle kahle vutomi bya valungu bya durha. Remember he would take his girlfriend to hotels loko yi nga koti ku ya kaya ku satu kona, a yi n'wi xavela ti-gift, and very a yi spenda ngopfu na le ka munghana wa girlfriend ya yona. She was a witness at this case very camp. I xi nyiketela mali ma 10K here and there ku xi remaina quietly xi nga vulavuli nchumu. Ma swi vona ku yo ti celela hi yoxe financially ne because of vugangu lebyiya. But anyways, it's not of my business, it's not of our business. We should focus on why while looking at this case. So in 2013 to 14 ngwenya ainga vonakali became less available to an extent ya ku sina vanhu lava a va tshama na nsati wa kona kumbexana vanhu lava a va hi vona a va swi vona ku tamani a nga ha kumeki kaya. Part of the reason yo why a nga ha kumeki kaya nga timhaka ta vugangu ntsena is because he was trying by all means to revive his 2 businesses. So it was always at work. Nsati wa kona a sungula ku va lonely, se a hamba a byela chumi ya kona ka tika. She even wrote a letter to herself which is there. So to cut the story short, the 21 April 2015 Jayde anyamalala. Yeah, she disappeared. How I in my dream. So the 21 April 2015 akuri Tuesday, and Jayde was expected to go to work as usual. So anga vulangi a tshama a Stellenland at Rebecca College. So it was a 40 minutes drive from la tshama kona ku aya antirweni. So because a ku ri na munhu around loyi a va tirha swin'we a va endla leswi mathicara mo tala va swi endlaka swa ku va endla va tekana va famba swin'we antirhweni. So sequence ya vona ku ri ku hi 7 nampundzu Jayde u fanele a va a yime outside la a tshama kona. Then Sheris, that's the friend, she's the one who would pick her up by that time from Basumentro and then drop her home later. So sukulera Sheris loko a fika kuma ku Jayde anga kona. Then she decided to call him. Bakumaku ambaza makufona anganku hebana. She decided to go in, ring a doorbell. Amba azama ku ringa doorbell anganku. So as one of them, man, there's a problem because it can't be go anga in contact na family nona na vangana. Se va fanele maphorisa a fanele maphorisa that day. So maphorisa lodged a massive search because mind you a ku ri the tycoon massive search yakwe va nga kumi nchumu siku rero, and they took it to the social media, to Twitter lava nga fika va endla association ya #FindJayde. I pfunanga nchumu na yona. So family yakwe the very same day yi offer ku loyi a swi tiva ku humelele yini to Jayde kumbe Jayde u kwihi, va ta n'wi nyiketa 50,000 rands. Swi nga pfuni nchumu va tlhe va yi tripula. At the end of the day at the 21 a va ku va offer 150,000 rands to loyi a nga na information ya ku humelele yini hi Jayde. However swi pfuna nchumu, va lave siku hinkwaro a va kumanga nchumu. So the following day when the hashtag was still trending on Twitter, a detective called the police station. With the help of the K9 units, they found a body. Kwalaya Port Elizabeth la ngana bush, and it was later confirmed to this body it was Jayde Panayiotou. What happened to Jayde? Let's continue. So sintsumbu wa Jayde loko u kumeke u duvuluka nharhu, 2 bullets anhlanini na bullet rin'we anhlokweni. Xin'wana xi nga kumeka xi nga ri kona i ti-bank cards takwe na jewelry ya yena. So vanhu vo tala were on the scene, lava nga tsutsumela lava nga kuma ku ntsumbu wakwe, including Moses wakwe. They were heartbroken as expected. Nunu waka was there, but lava ra around ve va n'wi hlamusele as someone who swi nga tikombi ku lahlekeliwe hi nsati. It was too relaxed for someone who just lost a life partner. Fast forward a week later, exactly a week later on Tuesday, Jayde va n'wi endlele nkosi, Nswari yi fike yi vulavula kahle ngopfu enkosini wa nsati wa yona. So xihoxo xi fike laha ka ku va ku loko yi vulavula nkosini wa nsati wa yona, everyone could recognize the speech. And the speech I should Google just went on and took an online speech. So she created suspicion. Hey, the man, why didn't they speak from the heart? And kengele yo yung kumukujidla imun name. Ngishinga notice a sequence ya so ka nokuha kwendwa research. Ayibalabuli swilo suka mbilwini. That's the first thing. The second thing, ayitirhisi mavito ya munhu loyi nga n'wi dlaya. It said hi ku the girl mufana loyi xin'wanyana lexiya se si lava hambi ku ri nsati wa kona. I don't know, maybe swi va endla va feel guilt or what, but yeah. So ngwenya ava va nga suspicious hi swona ntsena leswiya. Nonetheless, did you know more was happening on the background? So the day before nkosi wa nsati wa yona ngwenya Chris ava ku khomiwe Luthando Siyoni. Luthando Siyoni is one of the bouncers aka nightclub ya Chris. So ngwenya loko va khomini Luthando yi fiki tatazela yi boxa hinkwaswo, hoping for a lesser sentence. So but decided ku leswi swi nga se tiveka ku hi vanhu vo tala. Luthando was arrested a ku humesa at the expense ya ku hi hunguta malembe ma wena lama u nga ta ma kuma loko prosecutiwa, mara u fanele u ya ka Chris and get us a confession. And the next clip, it's a spy cam later moving wa Luthando while he was speaking to Chris about his wife's man.
Why? I don't know. Like Babala called me and he told me like police were there at my house.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everything now is changing now.
But why are the police after you?
That's why I don't know. I think there's an informer somewhere somehow. You know.
Where are they going to?
I don't know. They didn't tell me. Because I even changed my SIM card. You know.
Yeah, but you need to change it again now.
Yeah. After
you need to stop phoning me.
Yeah. After this, we're gonna stop. Like you.
Don't phone me or SMS me.
So what's going on, boss?
I don't know, bro.
It's this thing. I didn't see that it's gonna be like this.
Yeah.
How much is this?
Plus minus 5.
How much is it?
5. What did they ask you?
Fucking questions.
Eh?
Fucking questions.
Tell me.
Nothing serious, boys.
Did they ask you if you were involved?
Yeah, sort of something like that.
So what did you say?
Yeah, no, I lost their way though. Those were stupid ones.
So where did they take you to? Did you take your phone anywhere?
That
No,
phone,
the other phone.
Yeah, I destroyed it.
Did you?
Yeah, he told me to destroy it. Then I destroyed it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the SIM card and everything.
Everything. I'm not using.
Did you throw it away?
Yes. I'm not using Vodafone now. You see.
Okay.
I'm using this phone.
So they didn't ask you anything about me?
No.
Or if I'm involved with anything?
Yeah, but I haven't. They asked you.
Eh?
Haven't they asked you yet?
Yes, they asked me, but now you've been phoning me all day and they're tracing my phone, don't they?
So
I have to tell them you phoned me. Otherwise they're going to think I'm involved.
yeah.
So you need to destroy that phone now. The phone and the SIM card, my boy. Both.
That of the police that are coming to me.
And I swear my life, I didn't say it, but they're obviously seeing who I've been phoning. They are tracking my phone and every number I phoned. They've investigated my family too.
Oh no, what is it you did?
Somebody said something.
Because this is like a murder thing now. It's not like a robbery or something.
But that's what I said to you. It became a kidnapping and then a murder instead of just making it a robbery outside the house.
Yeah, German shit. Yeah.
You need to go hide in Jeffrey's for a while
Yeah.
and keep quiet. So I'm going to say you must destroy your phone now, ne?
Yeah.
And the SIM card, and I'm going to say you told me you're going to East London. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to be okay as long as they never know about us, Tando.
Yeah.
There's about 5 there. Sort yourself out. Because I'm all out now. This thing's cost me a lot of money. The family's also looking at me.
Serious?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
This thing is not like, it's not a
No, because these boys made it big. I told you to let them do it outside the house and take the bags and the rings, and then they didn't take the watch or anything.
They just left everything.
They just left everything there. You see, so it looks like a hit now. So they are after me, and that's why I can't meet you just like this in front of people, Tando.
Okay. My subscriber. So later that night, Chris was actually arrested, and 3 more suspects were arrested. Allow me kuninga katsima vitu mavo ni mukombeta swinepe swa vona ku katsa na Luthando. So it was later discovered ku plan a ku ri timhaka ta ku the hearing yi fane yi nga vi kidnapping, yi nga vi va nga yi teka as murder, but va yi teka as robbery. So Luthando couldn't do it himself. He decided and I'm sure you noticed by the tone of his voice, Luthando actually sounds like a good guy. So he hired 3 hitmen. So this robbery, this killing, which was supposed to look like a robbery, I finally take it the 20th April. But sukulere abatsandi ku swi endla because va fike loko se munghana wa Jayde a kha n'wi rhwala, se va decide ku va ta swi endla siku rin'wana. So loko va byela Chris tikwata because a ti jahi ku a hundza misaveni n'wansati lowa, se va bohiwa ku va ta swi endla mundzuku. So loko va kha va ya lava yisa lavaya va fika va cinca miehleketo because they didn't want any witnesses. Va fika va cinca miehleketo instead ya ku va swi endla swi languteka nga ku hi robbery. They decided ku va kidnapper, va famba na yena, movha wa rentiwa na yena a no buhle from laha tshama kona, laha va nga fika va n'wi tekela makhadi, va n'wi tekela jewelry ya yena, va tlhela va n'wi duvula kanana. It said that the third bullet leyi nga enhlokweni hi yona yi nga n'wi dlaya, yi n'wi dlaye instantly. Ivi loko se va heta ku teka makhadi lamaya, va teki khadi rakwe va withdraw 1.5, and loko maphorisa ma ya cheka surveillance va kuma photo leyi. Un'wanyana wa ti-hitmen died. Allege maphorisa ku va n'wi a jele i Vugangu, but anyways a swi yimisangi case ku ya mahlweni. Hi ti 11th October 2015 case ya Chris yi sungurile, laha the prosecution ma nga giwa timhaka ta ku the reason why a dlaya nsati wa ku ri timhaka ta ku a tikeliwa financially, so a nga ta swi kota ku hlayisa vavasati vambirhi lava va rhandza hinkwawo. So he had to choose one. So that was the motive. Ivi va kaneta hi ku yena a claim ku n'wi xaveli na yini n'wansati wakwe, so a ta n'wi dlayela yini. Se na xikangu xakwe took a stand, xi hlamusela xikangu a swi kahle wafo, xi hlamusela timhaka ta leswi a ti-plan ta yena ku a xi nyika mali, a xavela na munghana wa kona. But anyways case leyi xavisiwa ngopfu hi timhaka ta video leyiwani yo yi nga endla ku damani a ya kumiwa guilty because a ku ri information hinkwayo leyi laveka, ku katsa na xinepe xa ngwenya leyiwani yi nga ya huma le hitman ka ti-video ta le bank. So the 2nd November Chris was found guilty and he was ended life in prison. Same goes to the other hitman, and I was also ended life in prison. Ivi lowu yena wa vona a nyikiwa 15 years. Ivi leyi n'wanyana ngwenya Luthando is still waiting for his day in court, commission for his ruling. Ya mina a ni ta yi tsama kwala maxaka vanghana, kombela mi nga rivali ku subscribe mi ti vonela timhaka ta swikaku. Hayi xap mi nga rivali ku subscribe.